The $160,000 gas bill. That wasn't real. Meet Juan. He owned an adult family home and made $260,000 last year. He went to a tax preparer who promised him a big refund. The tax preparer looked at Juan's papers and said, "Great news, you're getting $15,000 back from the IRS." Juan was so happy. He got his refund check and spent the money on repairs for his home. But 2 years later, Juan got a scary letter from the IRS. Here's what happened. The tax preparer wrote down that Juan spent $160,000 on gas for his car that year. Think about that. Juan's whole business only made $260,000. How could he spend $160,000 just on gas? Let's do the math. If gas costs $4 per gallon, that's 40,000 gallons of gas. If Juan's car gets 25 miles per gallon, that means he drove 1 million miles in 1 year. That's impossible. You can't drive 1 million miles in 1 year. That's like driving around the entire Earth 40 times. The truth? Juan probably spent around $3,000 on gas that year, not $160,000. The tax preparer made a huge mistake. Maybe he pressed extra zeros by accident, or maybe he didn't check his work. The IRS computers are smart. They noticed this mistake. They sent Juan a letter saying, "Pay us back the $15,000 plus $4,000 in penalties and interest." Juan had to pay $19,000 because of someone else's mistake. But the IRS says it's Juan's responsibility, not his tax preparer's. Don't let this happen to you. I'm Christina, and I review every single line of your tax return with you before we file. We check every number together so there are no surprises. Text tax to 564-888-1687 to work with someone who cares about getting it right.